South Louisiana Quiz Bowl Online is made possible by the generous support of these sponsors: Lapco Manufacturing, modern industrial workwear; Ochsner St. Mary, get the care you need close to home; Homa Paint and Industrial Supply, proud supporter of education in the Bayou region. Hello and welcome once again to South Louisiana Quiz Bowl. We are down to 6 teams in our varsity quarterfinals. Today is an elimination match between Assumption and Thibodaux. Winner goes to the semifinals, so good luck to both teams. Jump into rapid fire, and it is the sweet smell of potpourri. People, places, or things, anything. Good luck. In the Greek alphabet, it follows alpha. Dylan.
Beta.
That's right. This U.S. state is famous for its cheese and its, Dylan?
Wisconsin.
That's right. What adjective refers to the Middle Ages? Dylan.
Medieval.
Correct. When measuring heat, what does BTU stand for? Daniel.
Boil temperature unit?
No, that's British thermal unit. By what pen name is writer Samuel Langhorne? Dylan?
No. Pass.
That's Mark Twain. If you look up, you'll see Michelangelo's frescoes on its ceiling. Dylan.
Sistine Chapel.
Correct. Who fled from Mecca to Medina in AD? Dylan.
Muhammad.
That's right. Of iron, tin, and lead, which element has the highest atomic number? Micah.
Lead.
That's right. It's 82. Kipling's The Jungle Book is set in this country. Dylan.
India.
That's right. It's Spanish for water. Daniel.
Agua?
That's right. The National Hockey League team from Colorado. Micah.
Grizzlies.
No, they're the Avalanche. And that is the end of the round. All right, let's take a moment and let the players introduce themselves. We'll start with Assumption.
Hi, I'm Sam. I'm a senior at Assumption High School, and I like music and art.
Hi, I'm Bo from Assumption High School. I like Quiz Bowl, band, and being part of friend groups.
Hi, my name is DeAndre Davis, and I'm in 11th grade. And besides Quiz Bowl, I like cars.
I'm Maddie. Outside of Quiz Bowl, I work at Chick-fil-A, and I like to read and write and listen to music.
All right, Bo is the team captain. Tell us about Assumption.
Assumption High School is an academic institution that promotes high expectations, resulting in successful students. Assumption High School is located along picturesque Bayou Lafourche in Boynville, Louisiana. It has an enrollment of approximately 1,000 students. Assumption has a diverse curriculum for students ranging from Core 4 to career pathways. It also has successful extracurricular programs ranging from many athletic programs to marching band and FFA clubs. We would like to thank Ms. Jessica Thibodaux, our principal, Mr. Henry Hollins, our sponsor, and KWBJ for allowing us an opportunity to compete in this year's South Louisiana Quiz Bowl.
Thank you, Bo. Thank you to the faculty sponsor, Mr. Henry Hollins. Let's welcome back Assumption High School. All right, here are the players for Thibodaux.
Hi, my name's Daniel Bigger. I'm a senior. This is my 6th year in Quiz Bowl, and outside of Quiz Bowl, I swim.
Hi, my name's Dylan Stintz. I'm a senior. This is my 6th year in Quiz Bowl, and besides Quiz Bowl, I do tennis and band.
Hi, I'm Micah. I'm a junior. This is my 5th year in Quiz Bowl, and besides Quiz Bowl, I'm in the band and I play guitar.
Hi, I'm Harold Bro. Besides Quiz Bowl, I do band, tennis. I enjoy doing trivia and reading books.
All right, let's hear more about Thibodaux from team captain Dylan Stentz.
Thibodaux High School's mission is to actively facilitate the academic and social development of all students through 5A athletics, academics, extracurriculars, and a variety of clubs. We would like to thank Chris Hunter and KWBJ for the opportunity to participate in this Quiz Bowl season.
Thank you, Dylan. Thank you to the faculty sponsor, Mr. Wade Rodrigue. Let's welcome back Thibodaux High School. All right, we proceed to our toss-up bonus round. Start you with a 2-point toss-up. During World War II, 3 original documents were stored in the gold vault at Fort Knox for safekeeping, one of which was sent over by Winston Churchill. Name all 3. Daniel.
Constitution, Declaration of Independence, and the British Constitution?
It's incorrect. Assumption? Bo.
The United States Constitution, Declaration of Independence, and Mayflower Compact?
No, the document that came from Britain was the Magna Carta. Constitution and Declaration were correct. 2-point toss-up. In 2008, this 1981 novel was named the Booker of Bookers as the Best Booker Prize winner of the first 40 years of the award. Indira Gandhi settled out of court with the author, who she claimed defamed her in the book. The answer is not the Satanic Verses, but what is the novel dealing with India's transition into independence, narrated by the telepath Salim Sanai and written by Salman Rushdie? Anyone? It is Midnight's Children. 2-point toss-up. The UPC version of this general term was first used on a pack of Wrigley's gum in 1974. What is this visual device on products that has altered how inventory information is stored and in turn has automated the checkout process? Micah?
Barcode.
Barcode is correct. Bonus to Thibodaux. During the American Civil War, many European rulers were publicly neutral but privately sympathetic to the Confederacy. For 2 points, who was Queen of England during the Civil War?
Victoria.
That is correct. For 2 points, who ruled France? Napoleon I, the second, or the third?
There's no second, so it's third.
The third.
Third is correct. And who was Tsar of Russia during the American Civil War?
No.
No, it's way later.
Was it Alexander?
Yeah, go. Sure.
Alexander.
More specific.
Two.
That's correct. Alexander the second. Got all three for 6 points. 2-point toss-up. This is a quotation. With his harpoon poised, an Inuit standing next to a hole in the ice is likely hunting for a pinniped. What is the generalized name for this group of animals, which does not include cetaceans, otters, or manatees? Daniel.
Seal.
They are seals. Bonus for Thibodaux. The New England states contain some cities with fine old English names. For 2 points, this Massachusetts port got its name from the English port from which the Pilgrims left. Is it Salem, Plymouth, or Portsmouth?
I was thinking Portsmouth.
Portsmouth.
That's incorrect. Assumption?
Plymouth?
It is Plymouth. Thibodaux, this New Hampshire city took its name from the English ruling house from 1714 to 1901.
Was it Hanover?
Hanover.
That's right. And Rutland, a city in this state, is also the smallest shire in England.
I would go New York as Irish.
Is that New England?
Answer?
Maine.
That's incorrect. Assumption? Your answer?
Massachusetts?
No, it's Vermont. 2 points for each team. Here's a 2-point toss-up. Most of it escaped from Earth into space long ago before its low mass. That's the best explanation of the relative lack of what element in our atmosphere in spite of its abundance in the universe? Daniel.
Helium?
That's incorrect. Assumption? Diandra.
Mercury?
No, it's hydrogen. 2-point toss-up. Insects breathe by means of what minuscule holes found on the sides of the abdomen? Daniel.
Gills?
That's incorrect. Assumption. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm going to stop you. Remember, you can't confer on toss-ups. Correct answer is spiracles. And I will work on pronouncing the word abdomen. 2-point toss-up. In the Stephen Vincent Benet work, what famous lawyer defends Jabez Stone against the devil after Jabez sells his soul? Anyone? Micah.
Perry Mason.
That's incorrect. Assumption, anyone? It is Daniel Webster. 2-point toss-up. During this stage of English, the letter thorn, which produced the TH sound, disappeared from use. Which of the 3 types of English was spoken at the time of the 100 Years' War? Dylan?
Middle English.
That's correct. Bonus for Thibodaux. In what works of literature will you find these pirates? Smee is first mate to Captain Hook in this play about a boy who refuses to grow up.
Peter Pan.
That's right. Wesley the farm boy becomes the dread pirate Roberts in this adventure by S. Morgenstern.
Oh, that's Princess Bride.
Princess Bride.
That's right.
Nice.
Frederick is an apprentice to Pirate King Samuel in this Gilbert and Sullivan operetta.
Just guess Treasure Island.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
Answer.
S.
Assumption. Anyone? Answer. It is the Pirates of Penzance. 4 points for Thibodaux. Here's a 2-point toss-up. To find any polygon's total number of degrees, subtract 2 from its number of sides and multiply by what number? Harold.
180.
That's correct.
Nice.
Bonus for Thibodaux. In medical terminology, a coccus is a kind of bacteria. Coccus, C-O-C-C-U-S, is a kind of bacteria. For 2 points. What shape is a coccus? Is it a rod, a sphere, or a cone? It's a bonus for your team.
Sphere.
Sphere.
It's a sphere. What coccus causes pneumonia and scarlet fever?
Pneumococcus.
Pneumococcus.
That's incorrect. Assumption? Answer?
Streptococcus.
That's correct. Thibodaux, which coccus causes boils and carbuncles?
Staphylococcus.
I'll accept that. Staphylococcus. 4 for Thibodaux, 2 for Assumption, and that is the end of the round. Welcome back to South Louisiana Quiz Bowl. 2 new players entering the game for Thibodaux. Let's meet them now.
Hi, my name is Kaden. Outside of Quiz Bowl, I play golf.
My name is Ella Benoit. I'm a sophomore. I've been doing Quiz Bowl for 4 years, and other than Quiz Bowl, I do tennis, theater, and art.
All right, welcome to you both. Thibodaux leading Assumption. As we continue on, here are some 2-point toss-ups for you. Russia and China are tied for the lead, each bordering 14 other countries. Which Western Hemisphere country places third, bordering 10 countries? And, Dylan?
Brazil.
That's right. The Oxford English Dictionary defines what word as a mechanical device on an aircraft consisting of 2 or more blades? Dylan?
Propeller.
That's right. It's the product of the square root of 64 times the square root of 16. It's the number of 3/4 pound cans of tomatoes that can be, Kate?
32.
Wow, you got it. It was discovered by Ferdinand Magellan in 1521, ceded to Spain in 1561, and, Kate?
The Philippines.
That's incorrect. And ceded to the United States in 1898. It was declared a territory in 1950. What is this Mariana Island? Bo.
Cuba.
Sorry, it's Guam. President Kennedy slept his last night in this city. It's the world's largest petrochemical port, self-titled the energy capital. Kate?
Dallas.
That's incorrect. Energy capital of the world. What is the 6th largest city in the United States? Bo.
Houston.
Houston is correct. This state grows the most sweet potatoes. The Battle of Guilford Courthouse was fought there, and almost all of present-day Tennessee originally belonged to what eastern neighbor state? Kate?
North Carolina.
That's correct. That is the end of the round. Thibodaux still in the lead as we go to our 60-second rounds. Assumption, you have first choice of categories, and you've got former Soviet states, plot, Greek literature, or what?
What was the second one?
Plot. P-L-O-T.
I don't want to do.
I think Soviet states.
No, it's no. Do the last one. Do the last one. Do what? Do
What?
With what? With a question mark after it. All right. 60 on the clock. Good luck. An instrument that measures height above the ground.
A barometer.
No. What kind of syringe has a thin, hollow needle that injects solutions subcutaneously?
Intravenous.
No. A measuring instrument which indicates the speed of rotation.
Gyroscope.
No. An ornamental sculpture on the front of a ship. Don't need to ring in.
Emblem.
Emblem.
That's incorrect. What 2 means of propulsion were used in Viking longships?
Sails and oars.
That's right. A strainer to drain off liquid from food after washing.
Colander.
That's right. You got 2 right for 4 points. Thibodaux gets the others. An instrument that measures height above ground.
Ruler.
No, an altimeter. What kind of syringe has a thin, hollow needle that injects solutions subcutaneously?
IVs, intravenous.
Answer?
IV.
No, a hypodermic. A measuring instrument which indicates the speed of rotation.
Pass.
Answer. That's tachometer. An ornamental sculpture on the front of a ship.
A masthead?
I know, a figurehead. No points for that. All right, Thibodaux, your turn. Former Soviet states, plot or Greek literature.
Former Soviet states?
All right. I will give you the first two letters of some former Soviet states, and you give me the corresponding modern nation. Good luck. M-O.
Moldova.
Moldova?
That's right. A-R.
Armenia.
Armenia?
That's right. K-Y.
Kyrgyzstan.
Kyrgyzstan?
That's right. L-A.
Latvia.
Latvia?
That's right. U-K.
Ukraine.
Ukraine?
Correct. T-U.
Pass.
G-E.
Georgia?
That's right. B-E.
Belarus?
Correct. A-Z.
Azerbaijan?
That's right. L-I.
Lithuania?
Correct. Going back now. T-U.
T.
Turkmenistan?
That's right. You got all 10. You get a 3-point bonus for that. 23 points. All right, let's take a break. We'll be right back with more South Louisiana Quiz Bowl.
South Louisiana Quiz Bowl Online is made possible by the generous support of these sponsors: Lapco Manufacturing, modern industrial workwear; Ochsner St. Mary, get the care you need close to home; Homa Paint and Industrial Supply, proud supporter of education in the Bayou region.
Welcome back to South Louisiana Quiz Bowl. We have a new player entering the game for Assumption.
Hi, I'm Cassidy. I'm in Quiz Bowl, and that's it, really.
All right, welcome to the game. Also, Harold has re-entered the game for Thibodaux. Let's get to our last round. It is 2-point toss-ups. Good luck. He was the first graduate of the United States Naval Academy to become president. The Department of Energy was created during this president's administration. Name this one-term president. Dylan?
Jimmy Carter?
That's correct. Astronomers in 1977 noticed that stars were occulted by Uranus before the planet passed in front of them and reappeared afterward. That's how what were discovered? Micah?
Exoplanets?
That's incorrect. Assumption?
Moons?
That's incorrect. The rings of Uranus. We're looking for the title of a book and a movie. In 1937, it won a Pulitzer Prize. Its protagonist has green eyes and black hair. Green velvet drapes were recycled into a dress. The film version lasts 3 hours and 40 minutes. What is this film produced by David O. Selznick? Bo?
Harry Potter?
That's incorrect. Thibodaux. Dylan?
Wizard of Oz?
No, it's Gone with the Wind. An atom of gold has an atomic number of 79 and an atomic mass of 197. Figure out the number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus. Atomic number 79, atomic mass 197. Harold?
79 protons and 118 neutrons.
That's correct. She could have danced all night, and it would be so loverly if she had just a room somewhere with lots of chocolate for her to eat and lots of coal making lots to eat. After she learned to say, "The rain in Spain falls mainly on the plain," Professor Higgins grew accustomed to her face. Who is this main character in the musical My Fair Lady? Anyone? That is Eliza Doolittle. This state is the location of the United States' most contaminated nuclear site. What is the 42nd state to join the Union, often associated with Marcus Whitman? Bo?
Nevada?
That's incorrect. Thibodaux? Dylan?
New Mexico?
No, it's Washington. These warships were bigger than sloops, but smaller than ships of the line. First used by the Dunkirkers in the late 16th century, their adoption by the Dutch Navy inspired the English to adopt the design. What is this ship whose name in French means to build long and low? Dylan?
Frigate?
That's correct. The Falklands War took place and Israel invaded Lebanon. The first artificial heart was implanted and Cats opened on Broadway. The shuttle Columbia made its first operational spaceflight and the Vietnam War Memorial was dedicated. The sum of its digits is 20. What's the year? Anyone? That is 1982. Each state in the Union is represented by 2 senators. In 7 states, senators outnumber representatives. Name any 4 of those states. Bo?
Wyoming, Rhode Island, Washington, Alaska.
That's incorrect. Thibodaux. Dylan.
Wyoming, Rhode Island, Alaska, and Delaware.
Hard to believe, but Rhode Island is not one of them. Alaska, Delaware, Montana, North Dakota, South Dakota, Vermont, and Wyoming. This man, along with Debussy, was one of the most prominent figures in Impressionist music. His estate has earned more royalties than any other French composer until his works became public domain. Dylan?
Chopin.
It's incorrect. Public domain in 2008. Who orchestrated Modeste Mussorgsky's Piano Suite Pictures at an Exhibition? Anyone for Assumption? Cassidy?
Beethoven?
No, it's Maurice Ravel. The law of sines states that the lengths of the sides of what shape are proportional to the sines of the opposite angles? Micah?
Triangle.
That's correct. In what year did General Philippe Leclerc, commanding the 2nd Armored French Division, liberate Paris from the German army? Dylan?
1944.
That's right. Its biggest floor, the 5th, has 21,025 square feet. Its smallest, the 48th, has 2,025 square feet. What is this San Francisco building? Bo?
The Needle.
That's incorrect. Thibodaux? Micah?
Bell Communication.
No, it's the Transamerica Pyramid. And that is the end of the game. Congratulations to Thibodaux as they advance to the semifinals. We have to say goodbye to Assumption for this year. 3 seniors on the team, Sam, Bo, and Cassidy. Enjoy the rest of your senior years. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you again next week on South Louisiana Quiz Bowl. Good night.